Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Here I have two sweet potatoes, say about 700 grams in weight. So I washed it very well, just trim the edges and we'll cut it into pieces. Here I have some water boiling, so I'll drop the sweet potato into the water. We'll cook it till it is done. See, we covered it and kept it boiling for about 20-25 minutes now. We can just check it is well done. We'll switch it off and drain it out onto a plate. Allow it to cool and then we can just peel it easily like this. See, we have peeled it. We'll just discard the peel and grate it like this with a grater. Grated all the sweet potato. Now to make the Podimas, heat a pan, add about a tablespoon of oil in it, add some mustard seeds, Urad dal, Channa dal. Here I have 5 to 6 green chillies which I have split. Also some cashew nuts broken. A 2-inch piece of ginger I have grated. And some curry leaves. Stir fry all these till the dals are well browned. Add a little bit of Hing, that is asafoetida. Add a pinch of haldi. And required quantity of salt. Now carefully add this grated sweet potato to it and gently toss it over like this. Take about 1 or 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut, add to it and we can switch it off. Again mix everything well together. Finally, just squeeze some lemon juice on top and it is now ready to serve. So our healthy and tasty South Indian style sweet potato Podimas is ready. This is a great combo for rice. You can have it as a side dish with rice and sambar or rasam. Or even vatta kolambu, it's a good combination.